Lymphatic drainage is so important for removing waste from our body. So let's talk about lymphatic drainage. Here are 3 ways to improve your lymphatic system. Number 1, manual lymphatic drainage, or MLD. This is a specialized type of massage that stimulates the flow of lymph throughout the body. This helps to reduce swelling, pain, and inflammation by helping the lymphatic system remove waste more efficiently. It also stimulates the flow of blood around the body. According to research, MLD may help alleviate symptoms of lymphedema and lipedema, which are conditions in which there is an abnormal accumulation of lymph fluid in tissues causing swelling. Research has also found that MLD may help prevent the spread of cancer cells by improving the flow of lymph fluid and reducing swelling. Additionally, MLD can improve the effectiveness of cancer treatment, such as radiation therapy, surgery, or chemotherapy. If you'd like to learn more about MLD or book an appointment, please visit my website at Dr. Rebecca Hill. Number 2, drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps to thin the lymph fluid, allowing it to flow more easily around the body. This can help reduce swelling and inflammation and support the removal of waste products. When we get dehydrated, the lymph fluid becomes thicker, making it harder for it to circulate. In fact, recent research suggests that mild dehydration lowers physical performance and causes significant changes in our overall health. These changes include higher cortisol levels, lower immune function, lower cardiovascular function, lower kidney function, lower digestion, lower metabolism, and increased stress. So make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. I recommend at least 2 liters per day. Some people will drink more, or some people will drink less. It really depends on your activity level, your environment, and your overall health. And number 3, exercise regularly. Exercise helps to promote blood and lymph flow throughout the body, and this can help reduce swelling and inflammation by helping the lymphatic system remove waste more efficiently. Exercise also helps to strengthen the muscles in the lymphatic system, which can help lymph fluid move more easily around the body. So try to incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Just a couple of quick disclaimers. If you have any medical concerns, please speak with your doctor before starting any new exercise program. And if you are currently undergoing cancer treatment, please talk with your oncologist before getting an MLD or doing any other types of massage, especially if you have any of the following contraindications. These include areas with open wounds or sores, areas of active infection, areas of acute inflammation, a pacemaker or other implanted cardiac device, a recent blood clot, or any other condition that may make it unsafe for you to receive massage. I want to dive deeper into the lymphatic system and explain how it works. I think understanding the anatomy and physiology of the lymphatic system will help us all appreciate how important it is for our overall health and well-being. So let's start by defining what the lymphatic system actually is. The lymphatic system is a network of vessels, tissues, and organs that help to remove waste and toxins from the body. This helps keep our bodies healthy and functioning properly. The lymphatic system is also important for our immunity because it contains lymph nodes where special white blood cells called lymphocytes identify and destroy harmful pathogens like bacteria and viruses. The lymphatic system is made up of several key components, including lymph fluid, lymph vessels, lymph nodes, lymphatic organs, and tissues. Lymph fluid is a clearish, colorless fluid that circulates throughout the body, and it makes up 14% of our total body weight. It's similar to blood plasma, but it has less protein and more fat. Lymph fluid contains white blood cells called lymphocytes, which are important for fighting infection and disease. Lymph vessels are the channels through which lymph fluid circulates throughout the body. They are similar to veins, and they carry lymph fluid away from the lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are small, bean-shaped organs that are located throughout the body. They contain lymphocytes and other white blood cells which help to filter lymph fluid and remove waste and toxins. Lymphatic organs include the spleen, thymus, tonsils, and adenoids. They perform a variety of functions related to the lymphatic system, including filtering lymph fluid, producing lymphocytes, and storing and removing old or damaged red blood cells. Lymphatic tissues are found throughout the body, and they play a role in the production and maturation of lymphocytes. Examples of lymphatic tissues include the bone marrow, lymph nodules, and Peyer's patches in the small intestine. Now let's look at how the lymphatic system works. As lymph fluid circulates through the body, it passes through the lymph nodes where it is filtered and any waste or toxins are removed. The filtered lymph fluid then returns to the bloodstream and the cycle continues. The lymphatic system also plays an important role in our immunity. When harmful pathogens enter the body, the lymphatic system identifies them and triggers an immune response. The lymphocytes in the lymph nodes produce antibodies which help to destroy the pathogens. The lymphatic system also helps to remove waste and toxins from cells. As cells break down, they release waste products that can be harmful if they build up in the body. The lymphatic system removes these products and prevents them from causing damage. This helps to maintain the overall health of the body and prevents diseases from developing. Overall, the lymphatic system is a complex and essential part of our bodies. It helps to remove waste and toxins, protects us from disease, and maintains our overall health. So we should all do what we can to keep our lymphatic systems functioning properly. Now, let's go back to the tips. Earlier, I mentioned manual lymphatic drainage as a way to improve the flow of lymph around the body. Now, I want to share with you 5 additional tips for doing self-manual lymphatic drainage. You can do self-MLD on yourself at home using simple techniques to stimulate lymph flow. This can be a great way to reduce swelling and inflammation and support the removal of waste products. Here are 5 tips for performing self-MLD. Number 1. Start by finding a comfortable position. Lie down or sit upright with your affected limb elevated. This will help to reduce any swelling and make it easier to perform the technique. Number 2. Use light, gentle pressure. Use the pads of your fingers and apply a light pressure to the skin. Avoid using sharp or deep pressure as this can cause bruising or other damage to the skin. 3. Work towards the heart. Move your fingers towards the center of your body and the heart. This will help to promote lymph flow and reduce swelling. 4. Use a pumping motion. As you move your fingers, use a pumping motion to help stimulate the lymphatic system. This can help to improve lymph flow and reduce swelling. And number 5, repeat the process. Repeat the process several times until you have covered the entire affected area. Be patient and take your time to ensure that you are performing the technique correctly. You can also watch videos online to learn how to do self-MLD properly. Remember, self-MLD can be an effective way to reduce swelling and inflammation and support the removal of waste products. However, if you have any medical concerns, please speak with your doctor before trying this technique. Another thing you can do to support your lymphatic system is dry brushing. Dry brushing is a technique that involves brushing the skin with a natural bristle brush before a shower. This can help to stimulate lymph flow and reduce swelling. Here are 5 tips for dry brushing. Number 1. Use a natural bristle brush. A dry brush with natural bristles is best for dry brushing. Avoid using a synthetic bristle brush as these can damage the skin. Number 2. Start with your feet. Start by brushing the soles of your feet and work your way up towards the heart. 3. Use long strokes. Use long, gentle strokes when brushing the skin. Avoid using short, sharp strokes as these can cause irritation. 4. Focus on the lymph nodes. Pay particular attention to the areas around the lymph nodes when brushing. This can help to stimulate lymph flow and reduce swelling. Number 5. Finish with circular motions. Finish by using circular motions on the skin. This can help to improve circulation and reduce swelling. Remember that dry brushing can be an effective way to support the lymphatic system. However, if you have any medical concerns, please speak with your doctor before trying this technique. Lastly, avoid tight clothing that constricts the flow of lymph around the body. Clothing that is too tight can put pressure on the lymph vessels and restrict lymph flow. This can lead to swelling and inflammation in the affected area. Instead, wear loose-fitting, comfortable clothing that does not restrict movement. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on all things lymphatic system. Thank you again for watching, and see you next time.